teriyaki steak.
Thank you.
With toss, yeah? Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, you're good.
Hello. Could I get the seafood bento, please? And then could I also get a side of fries?
Okay.
And then, is it possible to try the Green River drink? I've never had it before. Is it okay? Can I taste it? Just gonna give us a little taste. Ooh, thank you. Ooh, that was really good. That's really good. That's really good.
Oh wow, that is.
Can we get a medium? Medium of that? Or a large?
Maybe because it's little. It's a little.
It's so good though. Can
Yeah.
we do a medium?
Yeah.
Can we get a medium of that, please?
Medium.
Yeah.
The seafood bento fries and medium drink.
Yes. Thank you so much. That was really good. Cody likes it. How you like exploring, huh?
Hawaii best.
The drinks going on right now. That's good. Like real cane sugar too.
Okay, so seafood bento is $10.50.
Hey everybody, it's Steve here, coming back in here with another video for you all. I am in Hawaii and I had to try some local food. I asked a local here what to try and they recommended the St. Louis drive-in. Ooh, this looks really good. Look at that. This is the seafood platter. Took a while to get this, but I got their Green River drink. It's literally green. I'm gonna try to show right there. Let's see how quick it will fall. Oh, you can see it's green. There we go. Oh, smell that way. This thing's that cracked. This thing is so good. This thing is so delicious. So I'm gonna try seafood platter. He also recommended that, the local. Has salmon. I think there's a shrimp tempura. They ran out of scallops, so they had to replace it with some shrimp tempura. Right?
Calamari.
Sorry, they replaced it with calamari. It's a bunch of things. I'm gonna take a little bite of it. I don't know what this is. I don't even. I'm gonna try though. Oh, that was good. Wow. By the way, this is a freaking steal. This whole thing, $10.80. Obviously, you had to add 80 cents because of inflation, but this is a steal. You can't find food for $10 anymore. Rice is good. Let me try the salmon. Piece of salmon. Oh, that's good. That's really good. This, I don't know what this is. I'll look it up. I'll post something down there. Post something down there once I figure it out. Oh, shrimp tempura is good. Oh my god. This looks like a little bit of an egg. Yeah, egg. And then this, I don't know what this is either, but I'm gonna try it out. All this, I gotta say, all this for $10.80 is a steal. If you're just trying to stay in Hawaii and you're staying like where the resorts are, kind of close to the beach, everything is Waikiki. There we go. Waikiki, super expensive. So finding anything under 12 bucks, 10, 20 bucks is a freaking steal. This is a lot of food for $10.80. A lady was super sweet, super nice. Let me try the Green River drink because it looked interesting. It was green. I had to try it. It was really, really good. This, I'm going to inhale. This is so good. Wow. I can't believe $10.80. I can't think of anything that I can find in the Bay Area that's $10.80. I'm trying to think. Maybe tacos, but like, you're not going to find this amount of food. You know what I want to mention really quick? There was a discrepancy on Yelp. It's like 3 out of 5 stars. On Google, it has like 4.3. If I remember, 4.5 out of 5 stars. Always these discrepancies. Sometimes you just gotta take a risk and eat it and try it out and see if it's good. This I'm gonna inhale. This is for sure worth the $10, and they make it fresh. As soon as you order it, they're making it. They're putting it in the bag. So go try them out. St. Louis Drive-In. I recommend it by the locals. I'm gonna give this out of 10, honestly, just from what I'm eating now. This is like a 9. Try it out. Tell me in the comments if you like it. As always, stay safe. Like, comment, subscribe for the algorithm. You gotta do it for the algorithm. Also, go follow me on social media accounts, Steve.Hernandez. SJ. I'm gonna finish this. If you haven't seen my previous video, I'm posting a hiking video that basically led to me eating this. So enjoy that. I'm gonna go enjoy this. Take care. Stay safe. See you people.